So what I have done is put all these numbers, right? Put all these numbers and make a shape. So the shape is when I put price here and number of bananas here, the line is about 45 degrees, 50 degrees. This is the line. So the price and number of bananas are this. Price and number of bananas, here is price, here is number. This is the shape. Listen to me, one second. This is the shape. All these numbers are in this shape. There can be a shape like this. There can be a shape like this, which means more bananas for less price.
Bananas?
Right? You get 10 bananas for 10 cents. Which means it keeps going down when you increase the number. So this is called a negative slope. This is a negative slope, which means these things move in opposite direction. So what you have done? You have changed arithmetic into geometry. Now you can change arithmetic into algebra. How? The cost of banana C is equal to A, which is number of banana, times B, which is the price of one banana. Okay? So how much money you will spend depends on how many bananas you are buying and what is the price of banana. So the price of banana is 10 cents. Number of banana, whichever one you want, for 9 is 9 times 10 is 90 cents. So now you have written a formula. C, which is cost of banana you spend, is equal to A times B.
Times B.
A times B, yeah.
So 2 times 3?
Yeah.
6.
Where?
6.
No, you have to use this.
This is remembering the old question.
Yeah, don't question. This question.
This is a different
How much
problem.
money you will spend if you
Bananas.
buy 6 bananas?
6
Use this formula. A is number of bananas is 6. Price is 10 cents.
50.
So your cost will be 60 cents. Right? So I showed you that these mathematics is not totally separate things. Right, Samaya?
Yeah.
These are not separate things. These are related. This can become this. Arithmetic
Just different
can be
questions.
said in algebra.
Like a different, like
Everything.
bananas.
And once you have the shape and you know what kind of shape it is, you can create numbers out of it. Right? And if the shape is repeating, you can create a formula out of it. Right? So all that is actually one. And when you analyze this, this is statistics. I just did statistics to combine this and that and that. Right? And there is a calculus later on. Interesting, right?
Right? So
Yeah.